everyone, Anke here with a new mixed media layout inspiration featuring the April Hip Kit. Today I'll show you different ways to use the ink pads which are included in the April color kit to add mixed media accents to my layout. I start with using the ink pads to color modeling paste. The Tranquil Teal ink pad is much darker than the green on the April Kit paper, so I mix it with the yellow Wild Dandelion ink. Therefore, I apply both colors on a palette paper, add modeling paste and mix it. I add more yellow ink until I get the shade of green I want. Then I apply the paste using the stencil, which is also included in the April color kit, and let it dry. While the paste is drying, I cut strips from the Hip Kit Club exclusive Chasing Dreams Fun 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 paper and the Hip Kit Club Essential Solids Pistachio paper, which is included in the April cardstock kit. The pistachio paper strips get a binding border made with a border punch. I try to find the perfect arrangement for the paper strips. And then I run them through my sewing machine. Now I cut a tag from the Essential Solids Pistachio paper, which I place behind my photo. The metal dies I used are from the December 2021 tag die set. I printed 2 more photos, but I won't use the complete photos. I cut out the flowers and add them to my page like die cuts. I choose one of the Hip Kit Club exclusive Chasing Dreams fabric word die cuts for my title. The word die cuts are included in the April Pocket Life kit. I cut some leaves from white cardstock using a die from the October 2021 metal die set, and now I use the ink pads and a paintbrush to color them. I apply the teal and yellow ink on an acrylic block, mix it with the paintbrush and then color my leaves. Here you can see the leaves, and now I place them on my page. I adhere the leaves and pick out some floral die cuts and a cute bunny die cut. The bunny is from the mixed ephemera pack, which is included in the April main kit, and the floral die cuts are from the April embellishment kit. I adhere the die cuts with foam pads to add dimension. Complete my title adding a banner die cut and some of the exclusive spring green puffy alphabet stickers, which you can find in the April Pocket Life kit. Fussy cut leaves and blossoms from the Hip Kit Club exclusive Chasing Dreams Delightful paper and use the ink pads to color them. add them to my layout. I also fussy cut some butterflies and small flowers from the Hip Kit Club exclusive Chasing Dreams So Magical paper. Before adhering the butterflies, I want to add some hand stitching. I pierce holes first, stitch and then add the butterflies. I add 2 puffy word stickers from the April Pocket Life kit and some of the mini puffy stickers which are included in the April embellishment kit. I also replaced 2 floral die cuts with fussy cut and colored flowers. I had so much fun creating this layout and I hope you enjoyed watching the process. Thanks so much for joining me.